I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making a Greek yogurt roasted chicken. A half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 garlic cloves, salt and pepper to your taste, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of ginger, 2 tablespoons of cilantro, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 4 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 juice of an orange, and the zest of an orange. Blend the ingredients together. Rinse your chicken off with cold water. Take a paper towel and damp until the chicken is dry. Take your chicken, put it into the bowl. With a large spoon, coat your chicken generously with the mixture. Front and back. Make sure the chicken is well coated. Also add the marinade to the inside of the chicken. Once the chicken is coated, refrigerate for 2 hours or overnight. Let it set for 30 minutes. Add salt, pepper, place the chicken into the crisp basket. Add a half cup of water to the pot inside the Ninja. Place the pressure lid onto the pot and click into place. Set to high I'm going to cook it for 40 minutes because I like my chicken falling off the bone. You can cook it for 25 to 30 minutes, depending on how you like your chicken. Yes, it's falling off the bone. Tender. Close the lid. Change the setting to crisp. Set the temperature for 400 degrees for 15 minutes. You can cook it for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how crisp you like your chicken. Nice and crisp. Looks so good. Greek yogurt roasted chicken. Good. Thank you guys. Come back and see another video.